On a happy Saturday. I am never this late on a Saturday, but we had a lot to do today. My daughter's school was putting on a production, and we actually went to see it. My mom, my daughter, and I went. My husband stayed home and rested, but it was kind of nice doing something a little bit different. So that was good. We had a little break, and then I went to the grocery store afterwards. There's like no food on the shelf. Everything was like empty. I think it was from the storm we just had. Oh my goodness. So last night, on top of the snowstorm snow, we got like this really like fluffy snow. It's kind of pretty, but I'm sick of snow. There's snow everywhere. There's like 12-foot like mounds of snow all over Ohio. So I'm pretty much done with the snow. So I was out until about 4:30. I come home. My entire porch is piled up with boxes. So I'm going to do some hauling right now. So I've got a Bath and Body Works. I have got a Kringle candle. Oh my gosh, you're not going to want to miss the Kringle candle video. And then I actually have a Lush box. So we're going to dig into these. So Bath and Body Works today has got some really good sales going on. This is one of those days that if you need some stuff, it's a good day to order because you can get the free fragrance duo. Yesterday it was for app reward members. Today it's for everyone. Free shipping with the code you choose, and then you can get either the Gingham Love or that Noir set. That's that men's collection. I think the Gingham Love is actually a better deal. We also have $15.95 candle sale and buy 3, get 3 on the body care. And then we have a couple of new products. I need to talk about this soap before I dig into my box. These are going to be the best deal because these are regularly $29.50. The glass tops, I don't even know if Toasted Coconut Eclair is still online. I'll have to look. But I did see the pink Prosecco frosting. The lids are really pretty. $15.95 is one of those candle sales, though, that you kind of go, I don't know for the regular candles, because that's a little pricey. I like to see the candles more in like the $12.95 range, but they are available. Body care. Obviously, if you haven't picked up the brunch collection, now is the time to do it. We also have some new soap. I'm going to put a screenshot up. We have, check it out. Let me just look at my screenshot. White tea and sage, marble, stone, and cucumber and lily in the bar soap. Now these are $8.50 retail. When you do the buy 3, get 3, they come down to $4.25. I actually like the Bath and Body Works bar soaps. They're kind of plain. I would have liked to have seen like a Bath and Body Works logo just to make it a little bit prettier. But they are formulated without sulfite, paraben, or dye. I've actually kind of grown to like these. I always keep a bar of soap in the shower and on the sink, and I've been using these a little bit more lately. I do kind of like the soap. So they're coming out with the new scents. I wish they would do just like a low price point on those, like a $3 price point. They would sell a ton of those, seriously. So I'm going to dig into the box. You know what's funny? I have no clue what's in this box. Like, not even a little bit of a clue. I'm like, what the heck? What the heck did I order that was in this small of a box? I think it's body care. I'm like, I don't know what's in here. So we're going to dig in. Oh, you know what this is? I know what this is. This is my replacement order for my leak. So check it out. They did send me a new unicorn because the soap got all up inside my unicorn. Sounds really weird. And they sent me a new one. So this is the unicorn that makes all the noise. Oh, now it's going to do it like 20 times. And then I also got 3 of the soaps that were all leaky in the first order. The thing's going to go off for a while. So my white t-shirt was really gross in that order, as was the pistachio cream puff. By the way, pistachio cream puff is so good. They need this in a body care, you guys, in a candle. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. We do have the pistachio ice cream candle. This one is pistachio, almond, and whipped vanilla. I think it is similar to that, but we need that in a 3-wick. And then the best soap that Bath & Body Works has anywhere right now is the smoked caramel and bourbon. Oh my goodness. This one is smoked caramel, aged bourbon, and worn leather. This is like the soap of the year, you guys. Oh my gosh, this one smells so good. They just got the formula perfect. They really need to turn this into a men's body care collection, because I would buy the whole collection for my husband and make him use it. It is wonderful. The caramel, the bourbon, it all mixes together really, really well. So like I said, today is a good sale day. If you've been thinking about placing an order and you've been holding off, I would do it today, mainly because you're going to get that free gift set, and that's a great deal. If you've been looking to get a couple of candles, do it today, like I said, because you can at least get the free gift set. Couple that I'm really excited about that I haven't burned yet. Oh my gosh. Oops. That was a bad noise. I just dropped my lid. I'm really excited to try the sugared orange and vanilla, only because I'm a huge fan of orange vanilla. And then I have a whole ton of these candles yet to review. I did like the sprinkled birthday cake. You know what's so funny? Positively Sweet, which is dark chocolate and truffles. Earlier when I was doing my Goose Creek video, I was like, no one's doing like a cherry chocolate. I forgot about dark chocolate truffles. That is it's funny because that one is dark chocolate truffles. It's not as heavy on the cherry though, although it is good. I'll have to say they at least added a little bit of a cherry note in that one, but I highly recommend you getting that one. Now is the time to pick up your Valentine's Day stuff. So I will be doing a big Valentine's Day video once my globe comes in. What else I can find for Valentine's Day. So anyway, happy Saturday! I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.